of cases of the coronavirus in Los Angeles County today reaches a total of 24,215. The confirmed number of deaths hits 1,172. Here in Torrance, the total number of confirmed cases is 270, with total confirmed deaths at 32. Welcome to COVID-19 Today. I'm Colleen Farrell. It's 2 p.m. on Friday, the 1st of May. California Governor Gavin Newsom announced a new online portal to help families in need of childcare during the health crisis. It's called mychildcare.ca.gov. Through the site, you're able to search for licensed childcare providers by location, health and safety details, and ages of children, capacity, as well as hours of care. By entering an address in the search bar or by using your current location, you can find childcare near you. The portal also includes both private centers as well as subsidized childcare facilities. Children of essential workers are now eligible to enroll in subsidized emergency childcare. You can go to mychildcare.ca.gov. There's some good news coming from the state for couples who don't want to hold off on their upcoming nuptials. Governor Gavin Newsom signed an executive order allowing marriage licenses to be obtained through video conferencing rather than in person during the health crisis. Under this order, adults will be able to obtain marriage licenses at the discretion of their local county clerk through video conferencing. That's as long as both adults are located within the state of California and are present and can provide identification during the video conference. The license would then be issued by email. With large gatherings not allowed, couples who don't want to hold off any longer can also get married via video conferencing. Both parties would have to be present and have at least one witness who can join the live video conference. The order will be in place for the next 2 months. If you haven't filled out your U.S. Census form, there is still time. Residents are reminded and encouraged to fill out their census questionnaires as soon as possible. The census takes place every 10 years. This is the first time it will be primarily offered online. The data collected will determine how federal funds are distributed for schools, infrastructure, and health systems. To fill out your survey, go to 2020census.gov. Los Angeles County launched a new portal to help those in need during this crisis connect with those who can help. Individuals as well as families in need who are facing food insecurities can find meal and voucher programs on this website. You'll find links to CalFresh and WIC applications. The Let's Feed LA portal also allows you to search for county agencies and partners that provide free groceries and meals as well. You'll find restaurants that deliver meals under the new FEMA-funded program. The site also allows for volunteers to be matched with local organizations. Go to covid19.lacounty.gov/get-support. One national organization is seeking your help during the health crisis. The American Red Cross is hoping healthy donors will step up as more than 27,000 blood drives have been canceled across the country due to the coronavirus. It has led to a shortage of blood supply. Officials at the nonprofit say about 36,000 units of red blood cells are needed daily, even when there isn't a pandemic. If you are healthy and feeling well, make an appointment. This was echoed by the U.S. Surgeon General Jerome Adams, who also urged healthy young individuals to donate blood. In response to the virus, the Red Cross has made several safety modifications to their procedures, including taking the temperature of anyone who comes into a donation site. Other measures include sanitizing workstations and tablets that donors use to fill out questionnaires, practicing social distancing by keeping people 6 feet apart, spacing out donation stations, and staggering donors so they aren't huddled into one room at the same time. The American Red Cross says nearly 30,000 people continue to receive assistance from the organization each day. There is a Red Cross blood donation center here in Torrance. Go online to redcross.org for more information. May is National Allergy and Asthma Awareness Month. If you're like many who are experiencing seasonal symptoms, you may be wondering if there are actually allergies, asthma, or something worse. According to the Asthma and Allergy Foundation of America, more than 60 million Americans overall have both allergies and asthma. With a high vigilance to COVID-19 symptoms right now, here's how you can tell if you're experiencing seasonal symptoms or if it's something much more serious. Symptoms of COVID-19 include fever, cough, shortness of breath, trouble breathing, chills, repeated shaking with chills, muscle pain, headache, sore throat, and loss of taste or smell. Seasonal allergy symptoms include sneezing, runny or stuffy nose, sometimes even a mild case of a sore throat. People may also feel tired and weak. Sinus pain can also cause headaches. Common symptoms of asthma include sneezing, coughing, shortness of breath, wheezing, and chest tightness. Health officials say these conditions may worsen if you have asthma, so it's important to keep your asthma under control. For more information, head to the Asthma and Allergy Foundation of America at aafa.org. There's a department within the city that continues its role in keeping the city clean and beautiful during this global health pandemic. The Torrance Public Works Department continues to keep streets clean, maintain roads, provide essential services, and construction of all infrastructure projects. You may have seen one of the 13 flashing message signs around town. That's also the Public Works Department doing what they can do to help keep the community informed and safe. Staff continues to collect green waste and trash without interruption. Water crews continue to provide safe drinking water. Crews continue to maintain and fix potholes, sidewalks, and gutters. Thanks to the nearly 200 employees in the Public Works Department who work behind the scenes to continue to do their jobs to keep the city clean and beautiful, even during these uncertain times. You are greatly appreciated. The city continues its newest Torrance Cares initiative tomorrow with its Farmers Market curbside pickup service. Members of the senior community who enjoy getting their fresh produce from the Torrance Certified Farmers Market but have underlying health conditions or more limited mobility are now able to take advantage of the city's Torrance Cares Farmers Market curbside pickup. You can call ahead or go online and pre-order a box of produce from some of your favorite vendors. For a set price, you can order fruits and vegetables. Participants are asked to drive up near the D. Hardison Sports Center. You'll find city staff waiting with your curbside pickup tomorrow from 11 a.m. to noon. You can go online to see what items are available to pre-order. These are final sale purchases, and you can get all information you need at torranceca.gov/COVID-19. There's many ways you and your organization or business can help during this health crisis. The city continues its Torrance Cares Connections to help you help others. In response to the overwhelming number of requests received from the community from concerned members looking for ways to help, the Cares Connections website lists a number of organizations accepting volunteers and monetary donations as well. Go to torranceca.gov/COVID-19. The City of Torrance received 11 applications of interested candidates looking to fill the vacant City Council seat. The application list closed on April 29th, with the appointment to take place on May 12th. On March 3rd, Torrance held its first City Council district election, and as City Councilman George Chen was elected to the 2nd District, he also vacated his at-large seat. You can check out the list of candidates online at torrancevotes.org/council appointment. And on the city's website, you'll also find the new City Council meeting agenda scheduled to take place by video conference on Tuesday, May 5th. Go to torranceca.gov. The meeting can be seen on City Cable as well as over the air on 25.2 online at torranceca.gov, Facebook, as well as on YouTube. The community is encouraged to participate before the meeting by emailing council meeting public comment at torranceca.gov as well as during the meeting at 310-618-2404. Local restaurant Red Car Brewery launched a fundraising effort to sell 50 $25 gift cards in the hopes of distributing them to local El Camino College students facing food insecurities. Well, it didn't take long. Just in a week, they were able to meet their fundraising goals thanks to the generous donations of the community. The gift cards will be donated to the El Camino College Student Pantry. The Red Car is one of many restaurants in Torrance that modified how it operates in order to stay in business and keep serving patrons. Tonight and tomorrow, you can order from the Red Car pop-up menu, which includes food items like Bavarian pretzels to blackened salmon, kale, Caesar salad, to hanger steak, and much more. These pop-up specials are available tonight and tomorrow night from 4 to 7 p.m. You can call 310-782-0222 to place your order. The Torrance Unified School District is currently enrolling students for the fall. If you have a child going into TK or kinder in the fall, today is the deadline to enroll. Although all TUSD facilities and buildings are closed to the public, enrollment continues online. TK and kinder enrollment has been open from April 13th through May 1st, and the 2021 enrollment for all grades will begin on Monday, May 4th. To request a permit, change of address, or new student enrollment, visit tusd.org. If you're one of thousands who won't be part of a graduation ceremony or party due to COVID-19, we want to celebrate you and your big milestone. From preschool promotions to college graduations and every milestone in between, send us your photo and let us know what school you are graduating from, and we'll be sure to share it on our show. Email us at covid19today@torranceca.gov. Well, before we go, at the end of each program, we'd like to share your story of how you and your family, friends, and local businesses are all surviving this health crisis. Whether it's something fun to pass the time or something special you're doing in the community, please tell us about it. Today we wanted to highlight one Torrance resident who many of you may know. She's a pillar of the downtown Torrance community. She's been a longtime member and supporter of the Torrance Historical Society, the Old Torrance Neighborhood Association, the annual Rock Around the Block Party, and Parent Teachers Association. And if you think of an amazing event in Old Torrance, she's likely behind it. She's also one of downtown Torrance's biggest advocates, and during this health crisis, she's helped to promote local businesses and create opportunities for people to volunteer and give back. She's known to make some amazing introductions and make things happen. We just want to say thank you, Debbie Hayes, for all you do for Torrance and our residents. It's people like you who show how Torrance truly cares. If there's anyone you would like us to highlight, please tell us about it. We'd love to hear your stories and seeing your photos and videos. Please keep them coming so we can share your story of how Torrance cares. Email us at covid19today@torranceca.gov if you have questions or just want to share. Stay informed by signing up at torranceca.gov/Torrance alerts. Subscribe to City Cable's YouTube channel and be sure to like the city's Facebook page. That's our update for COVID-19 today. We hope you'll join us again tomorrow at 2 p.m. Leslie Robbins brings you the latest COVID-19 updates. Be safe, stay healthy, and thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.